Hello everybody. This is a tip I want to share with you people. Listen guys, listen to me. When it comes to Forex, right? And when you want to use the approach that I'm using. Somebody asked me, I think today I had the courtesy of letting somebody call me and we spoke in length. And I think one of the questions that they asked me is, Sir, are you a fundamental trader or a technical trader? I said, bro, I don't know about being a fundamental trader or a technical trader. All I know is I catch the low of the day and the high of the day. That's it. And let me give you guys a tip for those of you who watch my videos from the sidelines, okay? Listen, guys. You don't need too much time looking at the charts. You need 1 hour a day. I will prove this weekend to my students this weekend because they see me calling these trades. They see me doing the challenge easy, and like most of my trades now, the level that I'm at, 98% of my trades is a win, right? 98% of my trades is a win. If it doesn't go my way, I notice early before it even goes anywhere, you know and we close in profit. But 98% of the trades that I call out, it's a win, right? I don't know anybody who runs a challenge like I do. It is what it is. That's what I do. But then this is the thing now. You don't need to spend too much time in Forex looking at the charts for you to see the high of the day or the low of the day. Don't need to follow charts. I said it before that these levels or these price areas where the market is at its lowest or at its highest, I predetermine them. I preset them. There's a reason, because I know what I know. I'm going to prove to my students that they don't need to spend. I'm seeing most of them, they're trying to spend a lot of time on the charts. I want to be like the rocks. No, guys, you don't need to. I'm going to show it to you this weekend that you don't need a lot of time on the charts. You seriously don't need a lot of time. You just need 1 hour a day. 30 minutes, 30 minutes. I will show you how to break it down. It's just 30 minutes and then another 30 minutes. It's just two sets of 30 minutes, which is 1 hour in a day. So whether you're a fundamental trader or a technical trader, that's not the point. The point is you don't need to spend too much time on the market or on the charts looking. And if you really want to continue struggling like that, that's your business, man. If you see, I'm not a guy, I'm a very liberal guy. I remember there's some people who say, are you a technical trader or a funder? I'm not there, guys. I'm here to catch the low of the day and the high of the day. That's it. And if I can't, I'm not going to help everybody. I'm not going to do it. That's why one of the things is my course is increasing price coming next Monday or so. I'm increasing price because I see a lot of people like chances. They think maybe because this guy's made it affordable, he doesn't know his stuff. No, guys, don't take advantage of that. I'm increasing it. And I'm going to show it to you guys. You don't need too much time to spend on the market so that you catch the low of the day of the high of the day. That's why I don't use indicators. I don't use softwares. It's just that simple. The second thing is, if you really are somebody who is trading Forex and you know Forex, but you are failing to be consistent, I'm going to tell you, you don't need too much time with me as well. You need only 1 week of mentorship. You need only 1 week of mentorship. And then after that, my mentorship, you build your confidence, it's over. The reason why I run the Rockstar Challenge is for me to help people build confidence to enter trades and exit trades. So I'm going to show it to you all this weekend, including some of my students who are spending too much time. Some of them are trying to balance between work and trading. I'm going to help them. Okay? I'm going to help them. The same way I promise and I deliver is the same way I'm going to be doing it. God bless you. I love you so much. I'm going to show you also how to deal with the market when a high or a low is created during an Asian session like this one. You see this one? Yes. When they create it while we're sleeping, how do we come into the market and take advantage? I'm going to show it to you guys. Today we're trading the Euro Aussie, but then it's too volatile. Nonetheless, There was news, guys. I know most of your fundamental trading today you got wiped out because you had put buy orders and sell orders. They triggered them here on the GBP. Where is it? It triggered your sell orders right there, and then it went against you, triggered your buy orders and went against you. So I know fundamental traders you lost. I'm very sorry, guys. I'm not fighting anybody. I'm just showing you the light. Just catch the low of the day and the high of the day. Don't worry and stress yourself about a lot of things. God bless you. I love you so much. Yours truly, the Forex Rockstar, signing out.